Welcome to Unit 1, where we focus on the essential skill of listening for the main idea. While capturing general and specific information is important, the ability to prioritize information is what truly elevates your listening comprehension. In any lecture or talk, not every piece of data holds the same weight, and learning to distinguish core concepts from supporting details is a key step in your academic development. Understanding the main idea offers several practical benefits. It allows you to take more efficient notes by focusing on major points rather than trying to transcribe every word. It also helps you clarify what is truly essential for your exams, preventing you from getting overwhelmed by minor facts or anecdotes. By learning to filter your study, you save time, reduce the risk of academic burnout, and gain the clarity needed to build strong arguments for your assignments. So, how do you determine the main idea? Start by looking at the title of the talk. While some titles are straightforward, others may be more provocative, meaning you might only grasp their full relevance as you engage with the lecture itself. Pay close attention to signposts used by the speaker, such as phrases like, "the most important point is," or "the crucial issue we are grappling with is." You should also listen for sequences, such as when a speaker outlines their first, second, or final points. If a speaker does not use explicit signposts, look for constant repetition. Themes that are revisited throughout a talk are almost always the most relevant. Finally, pay attention to the speech pattern. Speakers often use a deductive pattern, stating the main point first followed by examples, or an inductive pattern, where they provide details and stories first to lead you toward a final conclusion. By training yourself to identify these patterns and filter out irrelevant details, you become a more focused and efficient student. Mastering this skill will streamline your revision and lead to a much deeper understanding of your academic material.